Another day here. We stayed at Matt's cabin, which is 20 minutes from the creek yesterday. We just got up. It's like, 7:30 in the morning. The only problem is that in September, it tends to get cold outside. And those fish, they don't bite real good in the morning. So we're going to go grab a good bite to eat and then attack our day of fishing. We have two plans. Either ride ATVs and go to a waterfall and try and catch fish, or try and catch fish out in... Wow, got some indigestion this morning. Just cut that, and we'll either we're gonna go to a waterfall on some ATVs or go out to do some fishing out in the lake. So it should be exciting. Let's head to the town. Oh, this is a do not enter. What the? Yeah, let's go this way. Well, we've made it to the town where we got McDonald's last night. We're gonna try and find a small little diner. See if there's any locals that want to help us out. How you doing, sir? You know any good breakfast places around here?
Just over the next street over, there's the Victory Cafe.
Victory Cafe, okay, it's pretty good.
Then there's the Golden Hen.
Ooh, Golden Hen.
Blocks down.
Which one do you think's better?
They're both the same.
They're both the same. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Golden Hen or Victory Calf? Which one is it, boys? Let's go ask this lady which one she would rather eat at. Oh, wait, this guy. This guy seems like he just came from breakfast. Nah, he looks like he's getting... No, he's getting places. Unfortunately, I can't wear that shirt today. So far. Victory Calf right there. This place supposedly, the young gentleman over there said, what do you need?
Wallet.
Your wallet. The young gentleman on the corner said, this is the spot. Victory. If you want to have a victory day, go to Victory Calf. That's what we're doing with our lives. It's going to be a victory day, boys. And girls. Anybody else who's watching. How can you have a bad day when you start off a day like that? It is now time. ATVs? ATVs, boys and girls. Keep saying that. I don't know why this morning. But we're going to take some ATVs on a little adventure and maybe fish something that I haven't fished in about 5 years. So we spent the morning dealing with a bunch of video issues. Hey, what time is it, bud?
3:41.
How long have you been trying to upload this video, bud?
About 10 minutes.
But we got the video out for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Micro Creek video. It was a fun video to make and also a fun video to film. So, glad that's over with. Glad we got that uploaded. And now we're taking these bad boys right here. No, not this thing. Not this thing. I know you guys were eyeing this thing. Not this thing. We're taking these ATVs to a small creek. Matt! Are you ready?
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
Intro. And checking my phone.
And checking your phone. After a long ATV ride, dust in my eyes, but it was sure as hell worth it. Hopefully there's still some fish left in this creek. We haven't been here in 2 years, so who knows? Maybe put the brake on. Who knows if there's any fish left? I've got a craw I've got a craw and a little Mep spinner, and that is what we're gonna try and use. It's actually a Panther Martin. I said Meps yesterday. It's actually a Panther Martin. Matt, you ready?
I'm so psyched, bro.
He's so psyched, bro. You see him? There's still fish here? No, hold on. Let me try this. Just wait. This looks good. It's got hit. Look at that. First cast in the little creek. Caught a little lethargic largemouth. Barely hit it. Oh, heck yeah. That guy. But as you can see, there's a huge waterfall over there. But right now we're just fishing this little creek. Okay, so we've made it to the waterfall. Oh, that was a fish. I just missed him. Fish. Second fish of the day. We just moved up a little bit. This is the main thing we're focusing on. That is a little waterfall fish right there. The reason why there's even fish in here is there's actually a lake up there. And our guess is those fish actually come down from the lake, fall into this pool of water, and that's why we're catching them. We've caught some good fish here in the past, so expectations are definitely high. Just using a little craw, Texas rig. Reason why I'm using a Texas rig, there's obviously a lot of snags, and I'm not pegging that weight. That weight free falling allows that bait not to get snagged. And that's the bait right there.
I think it dips down once and then goes.
Fish. Oh, there's a better one. There are so many fish loaded in here. Just break off?
Yeah, I saw it.
Big one?
I had to retie. Do you have anything else?
No, that's all I brought. What'd you bring?
Do you have a little spinning rod?
That's all you brought?
Yeah.
SMH. Didn't even bring anything else. That's a quality creek fish right there. And that one choked the craw. Luckily, I brought 2 rods because Buddy over here only brought 1. He's using my little spinner. If you start catching walleyes, I'm taking that back. All right, let's let this guy go. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hooked up on a good one. This one's a good fish for sure. Oh yeah, he's digging me in. It's a big fish, dude. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Yes, look at that one. Nice, healthy 2.5 pounder. I threw that cast all the way up in the ripples up there and choked it. As you can tell, this fish has definitely been caught before. Awesome fish. Sick. So Matt broke off his jig. Oh, here we go. How's it going? What was that? Oh, okay.
No?
Come out. Matt lives in kind of like a association, and they don't like people fishing down here, so we're getting kicked out by park ranger Bob.
Yeah, we can't have anybody down there, so.
Gotcha. Sorry about that.
Nope, no problem. You guys got helmets for your ATVs? No. I mean, I do at the house, but we were going pretty slow because we had to hold all our stuff. Yeah, but you still have to wear them. Okay.
Okay.
I won't rate you anyway.
All right, thanks.
Just,
Okay.
We appreciate it.
head straight home and get your helmets and
Okay.
keep riding.
All right, cool.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Appreciate it a lot.
Yep, have a good one, guys.
Yeah, you too.
We've made it. Matt went to go get his. What did Matt? Matt went to go get the frog rods, and he said to stay here because we were driving too slow. So I'm gonna take a couple casts off this beach. This lake is not the best anymore, but he says there's still a lot of fish in here, some small ones, so hopefully he can catch some fish. Oh, I just missed one, but the guy who kicked us off the waterfall was very nice. I mean, it wasn't like any altercation or anything. People are always like, oh, I never get any altercations on the water. I never used to until I started filming YouTube. It's like really strange. Matt said that we're not really supposed to be down there, but so we kind of saw that one coming. Other than that, I don't really usually break rules when I'm fishing, and we released all those fish, so it was all good. But Texas rig is what I caught all those fish on. I was using 17-pound tests because there's a lot of rocks down there, and when I'm using a Texas rig, you know, you don't want to break off, and they don't seem to mind it. Oh!
No.
Roll this. Matt just came. He didn't bring my frog rod, but he brought 2 of his frog rods. I just got it blown up. Kidding me? You kidding me? You kidding me, fish? This has got to be a joke. Oh, he's gonna come back here. Watch this. He's coming back. Wow. 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 It's a little frog, a little bullfrog. Oh wow, he actually ate the frog. Look at this guy. That is a giant bullfrog. He literally ate my frog. Don't worry, he's not even hooked. He's literally just holding on to the frog. Okay, let's go for the release. Sick release, boys. Why am I saying boys? Why do I keep saying, you know why I'm saying that? Here's why I'm saying that, guys. I've been watching this YouTuber like Nelk, and he like does pranks, and he always goes like, it's for like the boy. He always just says boys all the time, and that's why I keep saying that. I need to stop saying that. Oh my gosh! That one ate it at my feet. As you could tell right there, that bass is a dark bass, a dark grass bass. That fish has been living in the grass his whole life. And he just destroyed my frog right there. He hit it right there. This is definitely a good way to end the day, even though we did end up not able to finish fishing the waterfall. I bet you would have caught some more good fish. This fish makes up for it right here. Let her go. Let her go on the bayou. The worst video ever. This is the worst part of the video. We were going good. We caught some fish in a creek or in a water. I had to wash all the bad voodoo off myself because I haven't been able to talk the past 5 minutes. All right, let's restart. Okay. All right, let's go back to Walmart, grab some new steaks, and redo that whole cooking scene, all right? All right, break. Wait. We need to find where the bullets are. No, he said he was going to shoot me with this thing today, so screw him. Got some spices here. We figured out how to... The steaks are seasoned. They're on the grill. The fish have been caught. And it was a successful day here at Matt's cabin. Tomorrow's the last day here. We spent merely 3 days here. That's it. It was definitely fun, and I'm definitely going to miss this place, but we got bigger and better things to do. But hopefully tomorrow we catch a giant, big old succulent bass that breaks my rod, and I catch him in the boat, though, and I catch like a 6-pounder, and yeah, hopefully that happens tomorrow. If not, I'll catch some 2-pounders, and that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video of AP Bassin, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.